Hey friends, welcome back. Let me ask you something. Do you have followers on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok? But most of them never actually buy from you. Maybe you have 1,000 of followers or 10,000, but only a handful ever become paying customers. You are not alone. Most business owners have the exactly same problem. Having followers feels good. It feels like popularity. But followers doesn't pay your bills, customer do. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step in plain, simple language how to turn people who follow you into people who actually buy from you. And I will show you a real company that did this and grow into a $1 billion brand using these exact ideas. No tech skill needed, no fancy tools, just simple step you can start today. So let's go get into it and simplify your business. First, let us understand the problem. A follower clicked one button. That's it. That's all it took for them to follow you. It doesn't mean they trust you or not. It doesn't mean they know what you sell. It doesn't mean they are ready to spend money. Think of it like this. If a stranger waving at you on the street, it doesn't mean he will be invite you on his wedding day. Following you just like wave, you still have to become a real person to them before they trust you enough to buy from you. So our job is simple. Move people from I clicked follow to I trust this business to I am buying this. That's the whole game. Now let's break it down exactly what to do. Step 1. Show up like a real person, not an ad. The biggest mistake business owners make in posting only buy now content. Every single post is a sales pitch and people get tired of this fast. They start scrolling past you. Instead, show your face, show your team, show how your product is made. Show your struggle and your wins. People buy from people they feel they know, not from a logo. For example, if you sell handmade candles, don't just post picture of a candle with a price tag. Post a video how you poaching the wax. Post a video of you packing an order for your customer. Post you talking about why you started this business, how you are running every day this business. This builds something called trust, and trust is the bridge between a followers and a customer. Nobody skip this bridge, not even a big brands. Step number 2, talk to your followers. Don't just post at them. Here is something most business owners forget. Social media is supposed to be social. Reply to every comments, reply to every message, and ask question in your post what color you like or what color you think should be this product will be. What's the biggest problem with XYZ? You have to communicate with your customer or a client. You have to know their opinion, and based on that one you can make a decision. When someone comments and you reply, something happen in their brain. They feel seen. They feel like this is not some big faceless company. It's a person who cares, and people buy from businesses that make them feel cared for. This costs you zero money. It's only cost you a little time every day. But it's one of the most powerful way to run a quiet follower into an excited customer. Step 3, give them a reason to take the next step. A followers need a clear step. If you never tell them what to do, they will simply keep scrolling forever. This is called a call to action, CTA. In simple words, it just means telling people exactly what you want them to do next. Click the link in my bio to see the full menu. Message me at the word start and I will send you the price list. Comment yes if you want early access to this. Small, clear, easy instructions. Don't make people guess. Don't make them hunt for what to do next. Make it so simple that a 10 years old could figure out what to do next. Step number 4, use real customer to sell for you. Here is the secret. People don't fully trust what a business says about itself, but they do trust what other customer says. That's why when we buy something from online, say for example, if personally I will buy something from Amazon, I will see how many reviews that product got on there. If it's like 5 or 10 review, 3-star, 4-star, I will try to stay away from them. But if they have 100, 200 or 10k or 5k review, 3.5 or a 4-star out of 5, I will definitely go and buy that product. So ask your happy customer to share a photo or a video using your product. Repost it, say thank you to them publicly. This is called user generated content. But honestly, just think of it as let your happy customer do the talking. When a follower sees a real person, not a model, not an actor, just a regular customer enjoying your product, it removes their doubt. It says if it worked for them, it can work for me too. This is one of the cheapest and most powerful tool any business can use, big or small, doesn't matter. Now, let me show you a real company that use exactly these ideas and turn regular followers into millions of paying customers. The company is called Gymshark. It's a fitness clothing brand. It was founded in 2012 by two school friends, Ben Francis and Louis Morgan, when they were only 20 years old and still studying at the university. They didn't have a big advertising budget. What they did have was social media, and they use it in a smart way. Here is what they did. 1. They built real relationship with the fitness influencer instead of just running ad. They treat them influencer like long-term partners, not one-time endorsements. When an influencer wears Gymshark clothing and shared their own honest fitness journey, followers trusted it because it feels real, not like a paid advertisement. 2. They got their community involved directly. They ran a challenge called Gymshark 66, which engaged people around the world to share their own fitness journeys using that hashtag. This turned regular customer into walking advertisement because now their followers were also seeing real people, not model, wearing and talking about the brand. 3. They stayed consistent and personal across every platform. They didn't just dump the same post everywhere. They shaped their message directly depending on where their audience was hanging out. And the result were real. Gymshark's profile grew from about £1.1 million in 2026 to £18.6 million in 2019, with total sales that years reaching over, I think, 175 million pound or 76 million pound. By 2025, the company reported a global company of over 10 million customers and more than 18 million followers across its social media platform. And it reached a valuation of over 1 billion pound back in 2020. Now, you might thinking, that's a huge company. I'm just a small business. But notice something important. None of what they did require a giant budget. They build trust. They involve real customer. They show up consistently. Those are things any business of any size can do starting even today. Step number 5, keep the relationship going after the follow. Turning a followers into a customer is not a one-time event. It's a relationship you build over time. Post regularly, not just when you want to sell something. Show up on the same days each week so people know when to expect you. Follow up with the people who show interest but don't buy right away. A simple message like, hey, just checking if you still wanted that item, can bring back a sale you thought was lost. Most sale doesn't happen in the first interaction. They happen after someone has seen you show up 5, 6, 7 times. So don't give up after one post. Consistency is what quietly turns stranger into buyers. Let's quickly go over what we covered. 1. Show up like a real person, not just an ad. 2. Talk to every followers, reply, engage, ask questions. 3. Give a clear, simple next steps in every post. 4. Let your happy customers speak for you. 5. Stay consistent, keep the relationship alive after they follow. That's exactly the playbook Gymshark used to grow from 2 friends in a garage to a billion-pound brand. You don't need their budget, you just need their approach, real, consistent, community first. Hope you like this video. If you have a business, or if you're interested about a business, or if you are thinking you will start a business, you can follow this channel. Every week I come with a new video like this, which one we are talking about business is mistakes and how we can develop our own business. Hopefully I will see you on next week with a new video. Peace be upon you.